here we have our active noise control project for Marvin Windows. The way the whole system works with active noise control is you have like a certain sound frequency, focusing more on like the lower end spectrum. And our system takes in all that noise. Our algorithm filters out every single like frequency band, and then it'll create quote unquote anti-noise to cancel out every single one of those noise frequencies to end up giving us some noise cancellation. So it takes both of the microphone signals. There's one directly underneath the reference speaker, and then one placed further down in between the two speakers to collect the total noise. And it basically takes both those signals, and there's a feedback system here. Basically, like you said, it takes all the different frequencies, sort of breaks them down, filters through them, and it in real time adapts an output signal that aligns it with gets the phases aligned directly 180 degrees flipped, so to create that destructive interference. Here you can actually see, so the yellow signal is the reference signal, the feed in of our white noise. And then as I turn up the canceling speaker, that's the blue signal, you can see it's matching right against it. And that creates a destructive interference, and the waves cancel each other out in the air.